welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a outside clean with me, and the reason for this video is because we actually had bad weather come through and I had taken everything off the porch, and I realized that I needed to clean the porch because I'm about to show you right now what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is where the rug used to be, and you can see where I took it up. And then this is where it was not, and so I definitely need to do some type of cleaning because that is a major difference there and here. So I'm just going to try to scrub down this floor and see if I can make a difference in it and get it all cleaned up, and then I'll put all my decor and furniture back out on the porch.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar.
So I did decide to go and put on my rain boots, which I'm really glad I did. But anyways, I hopped on to let you know that I did add Clorox to my water because the seal that I ended up using whenever I did my porch makeover, it made a residue where it was slippery, and so I wanted to get something to kind of take that residue off so it wouldn't be so slippery whenever it started raining or anything like that. So that's why I wanted to do this project in the first place. But I'm just going to let this play on, and I will hop on later on in the video.
Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's make a way. Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more.
So I just got done, and I think I did a pretty good job. I can't really tell where the carpet used to be, so that is what I was looking for. So that means that it is clean. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I think I really don't know where it goes, y'all, but this is it. Okay, so now let's see. I can't really tell. I guess you can tell a little bit right here. Maybe right here. That's where it used to be. But overall, that's what I was looking for. You can't really tell. So I gave it a good clean. And so now I'm going to pull out all the decor that we had out on here. Just so, yeah, I can get it back out here.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a
So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to push that subscribe button if you are new, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops